Being a friend to your child while maintaining a healthy and respectful parent-child dynamic is a delicate balancing act that requires intention, patience, and empathy. When done right, being a friend to your child can create a strong foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship built on trust, open communication, and understanding. Here are some valuable ways to achieve this. Open communication. One of the cornerstones of any strong friendship is open and honest communication. Make it a point to actively listen to your child, asking about their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Encourage them to express themselves without fear of judgment. By being a good listener, you're showing them that their thoughts and emotions matter. Respect boundaries. While you want to be friendly, remember that you're also the parent responsible for setting boundaries and guiding their behavior. It's essential to find a balance between being approachable and maintaining necessary rules. Explain the reasons behind rules and decisions, treating them as a mature individual capable of understanding. Shared interests. Building a friendship often involves shared interests and activities. Participate in activities your child enjoys, whether it's playing a sport, reading a book series, or engaging in a creative hobby. This shared experience can create bonding moments and conversations that go beyond the parent-child dynamic. Empathy and understanding. As a parent-friend, show empathy by validating your child's emotions and experiences. Remember what it was like to be their age and facing similar challenges. Avoid being dismissive or overly critical, and instead, provide guidance from a place of understanding. Be supportive. Just like in any friendship, being supportive is crucial. Celebrate their achievements, no matter how small, and provide a comforting presence during their struggles. Let them know you're there to offer guidance and a helping hand whenever they need it. Shared decision-making. Involve your child in family decisions when appropriate. Discuss options together and respect their opinions. This not only gives them a sense of responsibility but also reinforces the idea that their input matters in the family unit. Quality time. Spending quality time together strengthens the parent-child friendship. Set aside dedicated time for one-on-one interactions, whether it's a weekly game night, a movie outing, or a simple walk in the park. These moments allow for deeper conversations and a chance to bond. Humor and playfulness. Incorporate humor and playfulness into your interactions. Sharing laughs and lighthearted moments can create positive memories and make your relationship feel more like that of friends rather than just parent and child. Respect their individuality. Recognize that your child is their own person with their own thoughts, preferences, and aspirations. Respect their individuality and avoid imposing your own desires onto them. Support their passions and help them explore their interests. Apologize and learn. As a parent friend, you're not infallible. If you make a mistake or react in a way that you later regret, be willing to apologize. This teaches your child the importance of taking responsibility and seeking to improve. Growth and learning together. Embrace opportunities for growth and learning together. Share your own experiences and challenges, and encourage them to do the same. This not only deepens your bond but also demonstrates that learning is a lifelong journey. Privacy and trust. Just like with any friend, respect your child's privacy and trust. Avoid prying into their personal matters, but make sure they know they can come to you when they're ready to share. In essence, being a friend to your child means fostering a relationship that is built on mutual respect, trust, and genuine care. It's about guiding them while giving them room to develop into their own person. By incorporating these approaches, you can create a unique and beautiful bond that will endure throughout their lives.